Today, hopefully, we'll be installing these on the Celica. Got the car on jack stand, taking off the wheels now. Also, all the lug nuts are broken because I've made that mistake like a shitload of times before. Tires and rim wheels are off the car. Okay, so we discovered that there was something rubbing in the front by there being a like exposed metal on the bump stop, and then this nut right here. Focus. Anyways, this nut on the back of the knuckle sticking out too far, so we're gonna adjust it so it doesn't stick out so far and doesn't rub. Okay, so I adjusted the bolt at the bottom of the knuckle. You can see where I was rubbing back there. Alright, go ahead and turn the steering wheel all the way the other way. Okay. Let's see. Okay, yeah, dude, we gained like a good like inch of steering angle. I don't know how that would translate to actual angle, but damn, dude.
And some bushings and stuff.
Oh.
Ooh, ooh.
Whoever installed this old strut stripped the shit out of this bolt because it's two bolts or two nuts, and the first nut completely took off all the threads. There it goes. Took off all the threads, and the second bolt just did that. So it just ripped off like 3 or 4 threads in that process. Wow. Got the old struts out. See how this one's obviously blown? And they don't even match. They're not even the same, made by the same company. And I'm gonna put this bolt on. Bush first, then this, then nutter. Nutter! So yeah, new struts on both sides. So this is after 120 and steel wool, like very fine steel wool. Oh wow. Okay, so this is after 120, some really fine steel wool, and 320 dry. I'm gonna hit it with the 320 wet, and then or 220 dry, 220 wet, and then 320 wet, and then 1000 wet, and then see where we are right there. Much better though. So this is after 2000 grit wet sand and that polishing compound, aluminum polishing compound. Finish is not like perfectly mirror, but it's way cleaner than it was. We'll probably eventually polish them again with better instruction and more equipment, but this looks way better for now, so we'll do the other ones and then get them painted. Taped off, tape part 2. Mast. I'm gonna hit some light primer on them, but I probably won't film the actual spraying, because why? 2 coats of primer. Now I'm gonna do a 3rd coat and then paint it black. 3rd layer of black paint. And I finished taping off the other 2, so they'll be getting painted soon, but I probably won't even show you. I'll just show you what they look like finished. Before, after. This one's damaged. Damn it. because that looks so fire. Next we have this throttle cable, OEM stuff. Throttle cable.
Yeah, it's a 10.
Okay, I'll go get the ratchet.
Why do I not have gloves on? What's wrong with me?
This is
This is how you drive a car.
So we got the old one out. It was fairly simple. Tried to put the new one in. Well, we got the new throttle cable installed with some hiccups. There's a clip that kind of broke, so we improvised something. I'll show you guys later. It seems to have fixed a mild hesitation on short throttle, small throttle. But she's gonna go test it out and beat it real quick. So I stay here in case it breaks. I can go get her. So this is the thing that holds on the throttle cable on the inside of the car. The new part that we got, one of these teeth were broken off, so I just have it kind of held on with paper clips. And all that driving footage you just saw was done with that. So it's holding up fine, and it'll hold up fine. But I'm gonna slot this on over the one that's broken, like break off the other tooth and just put this one over it. And then hopefully this one makes it just sit like OEM, question mark, question mark. I used the hacksaw blade to make that little slot, so hopefully that's enough give.